welcome to this another episode of this series, and let's just pick it up from where we are. And so this is currently the, or let's say this is currently the crude oil, and price is not coming here. I'm not seeing a sell setup, even though price has already retraced back into where I want it to be. I feel like the next area where I'll be trying to take a sell from will be inside this imbalance. So if you come inside this imbalance, I want the market structure shift on the 15-minute time frame and an imbalance for me to enter. So that's what I'll be looking for, and I'll still be targeting this low on the crude oil. And on GBPJPY, the trade, the short that I'm staying in, I'm still inside this trade, and I'm break even on this trade. So even if it stopped me out, yeah. But the thing is, like, when I was shorting, because I think this is one of the habits that I need to work on really, really well, because you can't know everything. Like, I'm still learning. Still a process for me. So like this, it was a resistance. You can see this is this price was resisting around this area. So my take profit was supposed to be around there actually, and because I wasn't on the screen when price was bouncing here, I didn't mark out this area as area of resistance. So we were coming down. So as price was coming, I just bring my entry to like break even, because I feel like it will be stressing to come and fill this imbalance before going. So I'm break even on this trade, and I don't know what it's going to do for you. I don't know what it's going to do. So, but no matter what it does, I'm break even on this trade. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm waiting for price to do what he wants to do, and see what happens. So if we push and break below this, I might add another position. Or if we break below here, I might add another position. So you can't see for sure. So on gold, I took a loss today, and I wasn't supposed to take this loss because I entered here targeting this here, and the moment we got here, I thought I put my stop at break even already. So I thought I put my stop at break even, and I already had like a 1 to 2. I was targeting just a 1 to 3. I was already up like a 1 to 2. So I thought I put my entry and break even, but turns out I didn't. And before I knew it, price was already here when I look at my phone. And at this point, there was no point, closing that trade already, because the trade can still do anything. So I just left it, and stopped me out. But it was very not cool, because I literally thought I put my stop at break even already. But it is what it is. So right now I am down 2%, because I was down 1% on the yesterday call. So but I'm currently inside this trade right now, and I'm break even on this trade. So I don't know what this is going to do. I'll say weak rejection. This weak rejection, I would love for price to just push down and continue direction, but I highly doubt this is going to be. I feel like price is going to come and stop me at that break even. So it is what it is, and I don't know why, like, this imbalance needs to be filled, but I don't know when this GBPJPY wants to come and fill this, because if we should break here, we should break this resistance area. If we should break it, if we should break and close above it, and it gives me like an imbalance or something, I might be taking a long, targeting this high right here. Or don't know, probably I might take a long and target this high right here. So don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but whatever happens, I'm gonna be here. And witnessing this trade is still going. Like, I literally set the moment I have the displacement and this can be closed, I set my entry here, and price did not tap me in. Price is going close. Like, I would have been up this like 1 to 9. I would have been up. Let's see this. This is very like the 1 to 6 already. So we're going to 1 to 9, and price did not retrace. And the reason why I have this place marked up is the price should not break this place. So we might come back to come and find a resistance here. So this resistance, I can be a seller inside this place on Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, let me put that position there so I would remember. I might be a seller on Bitcoin, and my target is here. So that would be a 1 to 6, but I will need a lower time confirmation before I enter. But that's just it. I'm looking to sell around this area if I have. Yeah, I'm looking to sell around this area if I have, how will I say it, if I have an entry. If I have an entry like on 5 minute time frame, I'm looking to sell around this area. So that's it for today. This Let's check this pair. This pair, I said I was waiting for it to come here, but because I didn't put the other in straight, I was waiting for lower time frame confirmation. I didn't have any lower time frame confirmation. I didn't have a market structure shift or like a bearish scenario. So I have this place marked out. This imbalance right here. Yeah, I have it marked out. So if you come inside this imbalance and I see like a change instead of delivery inside this imbalance on the 15 minute or 5 minute time frame, I think I will short. Yeah, I think I might be a seller from there, but this is still my draw on liquidity, so I think I might be a seller for there. But what I feel like I'm going to start doing now, instead of like allowing the trade to just go to full TP, if I have a trade, for example, it got to like a 1 to 4. I think I'll start taking my profit around like a 1 to 4. I think that would be it, like a 1 to 4. But I think I should start taking my profit around a 1 to 4, or like when we get to 1 to 4, I'll just take 70% off and leave the rest to run, because if this should stop payout, that would be very very great, because this move is enough to make a lot of money. It's enough to make a lot of money, and making no money on this move makes absolutely no fucking sense. But it is what it is. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.